What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the install garage. As y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, we've got some little goodies to install onto the ZL1, the good old broke ZL1. As y'all know, I am broke, so I can't afford all this cool, you know, headers, you know, ported supercharger, all this other stuff. Okay, cat decided to come out. Hold up. What up? Anyways, like I was saying, we got some parts for the Camaro. Nothing crazy, y'all know. Y'all can't expect too much from me. Anyways, let's show y'all, because I'm low-key, I'm mad excited about this. I've been wanting these little extenders for a minute, and I just found them. Expensive carbon fiber, straight from a P1. I think it was like $5 grand or something like that. This too, very excited for. I've seen this around a lot actually. And I was never really intrigued by it, but it's the little rings that go around the vents. And lastly, very, you know, anticlimactic, but I've never had this on my car, and I wanted it, so we've got a ZL1 badge. I'm gonna try to kind of like look at how this is gonna install, and then I'll pick the camera back up when it looks like I know what I'm doing. Yo. What are you doing? What are you doing, Max? Max, what are you doing? Over here trying to install the parts without me, bro? Here you go. Go ahead and put that in for me. Don't mind the mess. I have a girlfriend. She doesn't understand yet, but... Max, what you doing? This is Max. This is my little baby boy. He's a little puppy. You know, he's a cutie. This is actually mine. It's not like that clickbait, you know, new puppy, whatever. Because that's German Shepherd, expensive. This dog, found on the road. Cheap, bro. So right now I'm just getting a microfiber cloth and a little bit of interior cleaner by Chemical Guys, giving her a good little clean, making sure it's all good. Okay. And then on this, on the back of it has, you can really barely see it. Oh, there you go. It's got the 3M adhesive that you'll just have to take off. They have 2 strips, and they literally just lay right on top. It's on for now. It looks perfect, bro. It low-key looks perfect. Like, I don't think I messed it up. Look at that. Sure. Oi, John. Say hi. Say hi. You're a good boy. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? I'm trying to put in these rings, dog. I'm trying to put in the rings. He does not seem to care at all. Just trying to make the car look cool. Y'all gotta look at this, bro. Look at this. This one, perfect. Look, okay, this actually looks way better. That looks way better than the stock, like aluminum pieces. Is there a chance that they have 2 of these designated for the middle ones? Yes. But I don't know. Bro, what are you doing? What is he doing? Bro. Yo. Bro. Alright, so next up, we're going to move on to the paddle shifters, which, you know, before, it's just these little plastic, small little things. And then we're going to be installing the extendo. You can see on the paddle, you just want to apply pressure. Hold it for a few seconds. If you're brave, do a minute. And if you're smart, get a heat gun. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is it. Oh, bro. Yo. Look at this. No, it looks perfect. Oh, that looks so sick. With the red in the background. Oh yeah. No, this is good. We got the bottom part. We got the ring around the Camaro that used to be, all this used to be like that aluminum color. This finish, can't really see there. That finish, yeah. Same as the rings. But anyways, now the steering wheel is completely carbon fiber in Alcantara, very faded. But hey, y'all cannot tell me that's not hard. Look at that. All right, so next up is the most nerve-wracking part of this whole experience, and it is the ZL1. Can you please, ZL1 badge. Like I said, I'm already not good at these whole like double-sided sticky tape things at all. I'm very bad at these installs. Completely, I suck. And what makes it worse right now is the fact that it's individually, like individual, you have to place them individually. I mean, like the one is separate, see? So I have to line them up perfectly. I'm just not ready for this. I'm not good at this. This has made me more nervous. So I'm eating Trolleys to give me confidence, because it's the best candy and I have a lot of it. And my girlfriend gave me enough to feed like a small village. But we have the, what if I put one ZL and just piss people off? If I didn't pay for this, I would do it. It wasn't that expensive though. Low key, I bought 2 badges for 20 bucks on Amazon, and they got double-sided tape already on it. So it looks like all we have to do, bro, the birds are chirping, dog. What is up with this video on animals today? Anyways, so the badge goes somewhere around here. So I'm gonna use a wireless wash to clean this area up. Quick little video update too. I need new rear tires because they're, oh no. Anyways, I do need new rear tires here soon. I just don't want to pay $1,300 for 2 tires because I just spent $880 on 2 fronts, all season Michelins, you know, because your boy was broke because I had wires showing on the front. It was so bad, and I was just riding all that for a month because I didn't want to pay the price of it, because that is expensive, but I had to do it. But another little quick thing, I recently had a light bulb, not recently, this was October. I was making videos while all this happened. A light bulb from GM, $373 for one single bulb. I had to pay that much money just so I could see better at night. Look, boom. I did not have a headlight bulb in that light for like since October, so 6 months. But all right, I'm gonna stop procrastinating. I thought I had a level, I don't. So I'm going to, okay, low key, it says we're perfect. I'm gonna break my phone. Look, it says we're perfect on 0. That was for my eyes, bro. I'm so good at this. I should start doing this as a profession. Ooh, is that a ZL1 though? Oh, that's a ZL1. It looks more like an awkward 7. You feel me? So I'm not gonna lie, taking off the ones off of the badges on the hood and the bumper, way easier than I thought. But look at that. Haven't seen the red in so long. It low-key looks nice. I'm gonna miss the wrap, but if I want to get it back, I can just get it redone, and they can do it for me, you know. And ain't nothing but a thing, just a little loose change here and there. But the ones are back in red to tie in with the new badge in the back, so people know that I'm not an RS or a 4-cylinder. They'll know I'm a real ZL1, or I up-badge my car, and they will never know. They will never know, even if they read my sticker. Maybe it's fake. Maybe it's fake. By the way, actually, this sticker is new. I don't know if y'all know, if y'all can tell. Look at that. Look at the color change, man. And I want to give a huge shout out to my homie's fiance, Chloe. That color right there is perfect. Chloe, for making me those stickers, and she is a fire at making them. I will actually leave her information down below if you want to order stickers. I guess if you're local, probably would work best, because I don't know if they ship or anything yet. But she can do anything with any color, any font, YouTube, Instagram. If you want to plug your Facebook, whatever you want to do, TikTok, she can do it all. Anyway, she did these for me. Super sick. Other than that, let's see the rest of the installs. That was a sick transition. Y'all see that? That was so smooth. Anyways, brand new red little rings around the AC units. Looking fire. I love them. I don't know about y'all, but that's so sick. It looks so good. Like this angle right here, so sick. Perfect. All right, I think I got some pictures that'll be good for the thumbnail, and some pictures for me, because that looks so sick. I mean, I don't know. Y'all let me know. What do y'all think? I mean, from the before and after, I think just for the amount of like, first of all, the time, it took like two seconds to like put this on, and the price was like really cheap, and like I said, it's for the effort and the money, absolutely banger of a purchase. I think it just makes the car look way more different, and like I said, it'll spice it up. I spend most of my time in the car, so I wanted something that I could see a difference, you know. Obviously I got the badge in the back, which I love too, but that's more like I've been wanting that for a very long time, just to have a badge to describe the ZL1. All right, now I'm done talking shit. If y'all enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like. I would say I got many more videos planned, but honestly I don't know right now. We gotta see what's going on. I gotta get me some tires before I do anything crazy, but I do want to do some crazy stuff coming up this summer. It's April, early April, and there's plenty of time to do dumb stuff. So believe you me, I want to do it as badly as y'all want me to do it. So let me get some stuff situated, and hopefully I can bring out some cool stuff coming on. A few races that I've been needing to do for like a year now, and just still have not got around to it, but we will make it happen one way or another, I promise. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. If y'all liked it, be sure to leave a like, be sure to comment down below, do all that good stuff, subscribe, hit those bell notifications. See you in the next one.
Z01, slide in a rainbow coupe. Saw your bitch, mouth drop, what it do? Worry about yourself, bitch, who the fuck is you?